to use voice typing on the Samsung A57 5G, open the settings for the first, and now we are looking for general management settings. Go into the Samsung keyboard settings, go below into voice input, and you can use one of the following options, the Samsung voice input or Google voice input. So if you don't care, I will recommend you to stay with the Samsung one. And what is also really important, that sometimes it's not working offline. So you have to actually install the offline language pack if you want to make some notes when you got no network connection. For me, I'm going to download the United States language pack, so we'll be redirected to the Galaxy store. We have to click on this installation button and we have to just wait until it will be downloaded on our phone. It goes pretty quick actually. And now when you go back from this one, I believe that we'll be able to find it somewhere here. Okay, it's still downloading. No, it's already downloaded. So it means that right now we just have to make sure that it's enabled. And now if I'm gonna go offline, it's gonna work. Now, what you can also do, turn off the hide offensive words filter if you often use them. And now we have to just simply go back. We can go over here, and what you have to do, enable this to show input method button on the navigation bar. And now when you open your keyboard, you have to click on this icon. If you are gonna use it for the first time, you will have to grant access into your microphone. And now as you can see, it's working. And that's basically how we can do that. So thank you so much for watching.